Question number 30. Two isolated point charges X of charge plus Q, there's a charge Q, and second one has a charge of plus 2Q. Phi is separated by a distance 3D. P is the point D from X and 2D from Y respectively. What is the net electric field at the point? What is the net field at the point? So what we should do? So at point P, now let me put a plus 1 charge here. Now what will happen to this plus 1 charge? This will experience an electric field in this direction. What is the value of this? Which could be kq divided by d square. Now this will also experience an electric field in this direction, right? It will be repelled by this also. There's a positive charge, right? I put plus 1 here. So this should now be equal to 2kq divided by 4d square. 4d square. We have one field which is acting like this. We have another field which is acting, this is the point P, which is acting kq divided by 2d square. I have simplified it. 2d square. And as a result of it, now you see kq by d square, kq by 2d square. So what will be the net field? Net field would be, this is your F1, this is your F2, then sorry, E1 and E2 are two vectors. And the subtraction, when we do the subtraction over here, we get this as kq divided by 2d square. That is the answer. Answer is B.